You have a perfectly clean, expensive display, and then a bright red mark suddenly pops up and ruins the entire screen. We are going to identify exactly which type of red dot you are dealing with, and then apply the exact fix needed to remove it. Before we start, pause the video and grab a clean, soft microfiber cloth. Keep it on standby because we will need it for a physical fix later on. There are 3 distinct types of red marks to look for: a perfectly centered crosshair, a tiny bright dot, or a wavy cluster of pixels bleeding down from the top edge. We have to diagnose your specific visual pattern first. That is the only way to apply the correct hardware or physical fix without permanently damaging your display. Let's start with the largest mark. If you have a gaming desktop and see a perfect red target in the exact center of your screen, it is an accidental feature, not a virus. This is a hardware overlay. It is generated entirely by the monitor or your laptop's motherboard, which means it completely bypasses the Windows operating system. To turn it off on a desktop monitor, run your hand underneath the bottom bezel. You are looking for a physical row of buttons. This overlay is especially common on AOC monitors. Simply press the physical right arrow button or the dedicated menu button to instantly toggle it off. If you are using a laptop, specifically brands like MSI, you don't have physical screen buttons. Instead, your system uses embedded keyboard shortcuts. Look at the bottom row of your laptop keyboard and locate the FN or function key. Hold the FN key down and simultaneously press either the down arrow or the right arrow key. The crosshair will vanish immediately. Because this is a hardware-level override, the computer software cannot control it. Knowing this shortcut saves you from wasting hours digging through Windows settings for a fix that isn't there. If you see a tiny red dot, look closer. Microscopically, every square pixel contains red, green, and blue subpixels. A stuck pixel occurs when the red subpixel receives constant power and fails to dim, leaving a permanent red dot on your grid. To easily isolate exactly where the stuck pixel is, pull up a full-screen image of pure white, pure black, or pure green. Next, take that clean microfiber cloth we set aside earlier and wrap it tightly around your index finger. Apply extremely gentle physical pressure directly to the stuck pixel and give it a very light circular massage. Do not press too hard. If you apply Feviforce, you will permanently crack the delicate LCD panel underneath the glass. This gentle physical pressure forces the misaligned liquid crystals back into their proper place. It is a digital display error, but it requires an analog, physical intervention to fix. Our final category targets LG OLED displays, like the C1 or CX models. The issue appears as a jagged, wavy saw blade pattern of red and white dead pixels bleeding downward from the top edge. This is not a stuck pixel. This wavy cluster is thermal degradation. It is permanent heat damage that occurs along the edges of the panel after thousands of hours of use. As a first-line diagnostic, open your TV's settings menu and run the built-in Pixel Refresher or Pixel Cleaning tool. While this tool might temporarily revive a few pixels, the dead zones will inevitably return and push further down the screen. Your next step is to immediately locate your original purchase receipt and verify your current warranty status. Contact the manufacturer or a licensed repair center right away to request a panel replacement before the dead pixels spread any further. Software cleaning tools cannot reverse physical heat damage to an organic panel. Recognizing this hardware degradation early is critical to getting a replacement. By matching your issue to the correct fix, you can return your monitor to a flawless, crystal clear state. Whether you simply needed to bypass an accidental hardware hotkey or carefully realign a stubborn liquid crystal, your screen is restored. And if you are an OLED owner dealing with thermal degradation, your next step is to take action on that warranty claim before the damage expands. If this tutorial successfully saved you from giving up and buying a brand new monitor, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Systematically diagnosing the visual shape of a screen error empowers you to resolve these hardware scares quickly, safely, and confidently.